Come on, mate, we can get there. I'm getting it back. Where am I? G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome to an episode of UAVfutures where we just go through some shenanigans, have some fun, and talk about some things that are sometimes a little bit different to FPV drone racing. This is bonus content for you guys, so if you don't like it, well, don't watch it, but I have a lot of fun making this sort of extra stuff and sharing these shenanigans with you, and let me tell you today, that's exactly what happens, because this one I kind of feel lucky to have this back because I went out and I flew it around before I did this little bench part. But what this is like a bit of an intro to FPV. We want to find out with this little Tobyrich plane. It flies from your phone, but also you get some goggles so you can do some FPV stuff. It's kind of crazy. Did we read the instructions? No. Did it go to plan? Also no. So we're going to go out, have some fun with Grumpy Trev, Crash Test Cal, and find out, is this little wing, I guess, or is this little plane, I should say, a good entry into the FPV hobby? And you're going to see, I'm just going to leave it there. You're going to see. There we go. So let's cut out to the field, have some fun with this bad boy in 3, 2, 1. Rightio, let's have a little bit of fun. I have no idea how this is going to go with this tiny little plane. We're going to fly it with our phone. Relatively calm conditions. We'll put the goggles on and see, is this a good entry, beginner sort of experiment into FPV? And then if we can charge up the battery, because I don't like how you only get one and it's like a proprietary, but what's that word? Proprietary battery. We'll give it over to Grumpy Trev and Crash Test Car as well, if I don't lose it.
What you're trying to say is it sucks only getting one battery.
Yeah, it does, and I've got so many of these 1S's at home that I wish it came with, just a normal standard battery. Anyway, let's do it, have some fun. Now, you should probably read the instructions about how to fly. It says we don't want helicopter mode. We're going to go straight into aeroplane mode, and we might never see this thing again.
We're professionals.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Now, double tap, no, we don't want to go double tap. How do I actually launch this thing?
Don't point it at your face, Stu.
Double tap to go back to helicopter mode, no.
Airplane mode.
I don't care, got it. Please take some, hang on, this is good. Please take some flight classes before flying. You can either say, I've got it, or I don't care. Well, I don't care. Are we ready, Trevor? I have no idea how this is going to go. All right.
So you're going to have that sideways or forward, that thing?
Let's just go launch.
Okay. Yeah, it's going.
Okay.
It's flying.
No, I'm trying to fly with my phone. Your phone. I'm in the tree. No.
Where are you, Stu?
I'm bang at the top of that tree. That thing is not coming out. It was kind of
tree.
Warning, engine off due to blocked propeller. So we'll blame that on Trevor. Somehow he was pushing my arm or something, but we'll go try and get it down and then give it another crack.
I'm 3 feet away from you, guy. Anyway, Stu, he's great piloting skills. He read the instructions, and we're right up the very top of this tree here, but he ain't going to get that down anytime soon. There it is, guys, right up there. Do you reckon he could get it any higher up the tree?
If there was a bigger tree, yes.
No,
Don't worry.
here comes our
here.
pilot.
There it is. Watch this. Goodbye.
Yeah, yeah, that was good, Stu. He missed that by 2 trees.
Turtle mode.
It is going to be difficult to get.
What was that, Stu?
I said that we're going to get that in 2 more tries.
Yeah, you hit every branch except the whatever you call that thing. Well, another 45, another 3 feet to be close. Oh, yeah!
Woo! Well, should we give it another crack? We've got to. Ready, Trev, for take 2?
Take 2. Yeah.
Avoiding trees. Yeah. Come on. No, left, up, left. Okay, gentle.
Your other left.
And turning, banking left. Na, 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 na. I'm coming for you, Trevor. Oh, look at it go.
I'm pretty safe here because you've got no control at all.
Oh, okay, can we do a loop? I need to somehow look at the screen. Oh, I can't see the screen. I'm kind of impressed with the range, actually.
What do you mean? It's only 50 feet in front of us.
Yeah, but just for your phone. Okay, do we want to see how far we can actually go?
Yeah, but it might keep going, so how are we going to know?
Well, I'll tell you when it stops responding. Or should I just come in? Where's Calvin? We need him out there with the riot shield. I can't get it to go down. That's what she said. Ah, pull up, pull up!
Yeah, well.
Away from that tree. Away from that tree. No, okay, we're moving it. We're going away from that one. Bank right. Gee, it's not very good into the wind, but you know what? If this is the first ever, maybe if I fly right-handed. See, this is easier because now I can fly and talk. This is where it's all at. I can do FPV,
and
talk, and wave my arms around. I'm going for Cal, if I can get him. How do I tilt it down? It's just not wanting to come down.
Forward.
I'm tilting forwards.
Now it's going straight up.
Look at my phone, mate. That's climbing.
It's going straight up.
Okay, we're going to tilt backwards. Ready?
Yeah, tilt backwards. Yeah. No, now you're going around a circle.
Okay.
Now it's upside down.
Yeah, it's not coming down, I'll tell you that much. It's gone. I'm losing video. I'm going to try and bring it back, but I don't think we're ever going to see this again.
Did you cut the power?
It's going to land in the creek if you do.
I'm trying to tilt right. Stop climbing. There, yeah, stay on that descent. Oh no, we're losing it.
Cut the power and glide.
This thing's a spec, people.
It's going over the BMX track. It's gone. It's gone. It's never coming back.
Oh, there's a spec.
Oh, can you see it?
It's a spec.
Okay, we're going to stay there. Hold the course.
That's working with Bluetooth.
It's coming back. Well, it's hard to tell. Oh yeah, I think it is. Jesus, up a long way.
I'm trying. No, it's not responding. We're out of range.
Run over to it.
All right, Trevor, come with me.
It's gone.
Come on, mate. We can get there. I'm getting it back. Where am I?
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, but that's easier said than done. Land. All right, I'm gonna try and spiral downwards, down. Oh, we're tumbling. We're tumbling. Yes. Okay, if it could just go down now, that would be great. I'm over the cricket pitch. I'm over the thing. Come on, land, land. Oh, it's gone, it's gone. It's gone, Trevor.
Don't buy one of them.
Well,
folks.
yeah, if you expect to get that back, maybe do a little bit more training. You know what, I'm gonna go for a drive. I'll be back, see if I can find it. Alrighty, Cal, I'm borrowing your scooter, mate, and I'm going to retrieve our plane.
Good luck.
Do you think we'll find it?
This owl
Okay.
May the force be with you.
All right, I think it was around here last when I lost it. Now, I would have thought it was in this field. Oh. Maybe I'm gonna ask them before they disappear. Little toy plane, it came over the top of the thing. It was about this big and black. Have you seen that at all?
No. How
Okay.
long? How much?
Like 10 minutes ago? Okay, no dramas, all good.
Sorry.
No worries. It doesn't look like it. Oh, check it out. We are victorious. Da, 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 da. Yes. All right, so I don't know what Trevor and Cal, they thought I was never getting it back. Fortune favors the brave. Ever do!
Did it land on the oval or?
It was a bit off to the left, sort of just on the left of the oval.
Okay. I think we could have glided off anywhere.
Mate, it was gone. There was no, I don't know how we weren't going to control that back anyway. I was trying to dump it and get it back. Alrighty, so there it is. There was my guest UAVfutures little review of the Tobyrich plane, and overall I'm gonna say, was it fun? Yes, but I wouldn't be buying this for some people unless you had a lot of space and you could control it better than I could, because look, this wasn't a super technical review. That's not what UAVfutures is. This is just about having fun, these episodes. And for me, yeah, it was fun, but I didn't think I was gonna get this thing back. It has a little 1S battery, all that sort of stuff in here. The phone app did work pretty well. But, oh, I should say connected pretty well. It seemed to have some crazy range. I don't know how I had that much control, but control is a very relative term because I could not get this thing to descend like you saw. So I'm not too sure what was going on there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that because it was a lot of fun. There was a lot of laughs with this, but I would say be very careful if you're gonna get one of these. Luckily, it's not gonna cause too much damage because it is so light. Drop your comments down below, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying. I would say these goggles though, they were okay. You could definitely use them again for some other FPV purposes, but they were stuck on the Raceman channels, which a little bit frustrating as well. Alrighty, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel and check out these videos. And I'm also going to leave a little link here to my Patreon page because I've got some fantastic Patreon supporters and I like to give back to them as well. So if you want to join the UAVfutures family, there's things like bonus Velcro straps, little bundles of FPV goodies and things like that that also get sent out. Anyway, happy flying.